I don't know what to do.
Just stay low and cover your head. We'll be okay. It's over now. We're safe. Just stay close to me, okay? Oh no, guys, are you okay? What happened?
There's an earthquake.
Oh no, let's go to the emergency room.
Thank you for watching our video presentation.